Welcome to Ayman's Toy Review. Today we're going to open a Series 2 12 pack.
So, let's open it up.
Okay. So this is my first time opening a Series 2 12 pack. At the front door, we got Bumbug. He's a common. At the gate, we got Septics. Now we're gonna go for the big can and then the small trash cans. First up, we got Lugger, and I almost forgot the collection. Okay, so Lugger is a common. He's number 212. The next one we got, who's this? He's Wormster, and he's ultra rare. That's good. So he's number 309. Next one we got Squirmer. He's in the bin 6. And he is a common, number 274. Next one we got Icky Stinger. He's a common. And the next one we got Juiced. He is in hard rubbish. We got Juiced. Juiced.
So they are in different categories?
Yes. Juice. I can't seem to find him. I think he's a common. Next one we got Putrid Spretzel. He is a common. Last one we got Alligator. He is a common. Now we're going for the special editions. First we got Moldy Trashy Chunk Jumper. Next one we got Trash Roid. He's from the Astro Trash. And he's Treasuroid. His teeth is quite good looking. Next, the last one is Karate Fruity.
That's all we got?
Yeah, that's all. Bye for now.
Bye.